Here's a 2018 Alfa Romeo Stelvio. The Stelvio's voluptuous body wraps around a turbocharged engine, sure-footed chassis, and meticulously crafted leather interior. It's the SUV only Italy could build. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather sport seats, rear parking sensors, streaming audio, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. The unmistakable iconic Alfa Romeo. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
For service, selection, and value, choose Armory Garage. Stop in today and check us out. We are conveniently located at 926 Central Avenue in Albany, New York.